If your sound speakers sound weak, crackly, or just don't have the punch you want, it's time for an upgrade. It's a simply upgrade that makes a huge difference in the sound quality, because my speaker, I said speaker because I have just one speaker in my sheetbox in my car. And that one speaker sounds like when a vegan tries to explain me why I shouldn't eat meat. I can barely hear it, and what little I do, it sounds crap, full of crap. So let's get started. To change the speaker, I need to remove the door panel. In this car, I think I just need to remove that lower part, that plastic part. But if you have another type of car, there are cars where you need to remove the whole door panel. I try just remove that plastic lower part, and I hope it's enough for changing the speaker. So there are some screws. I unscrew them, and not to lose to the screws, I use a magnetic tray. There are one missing screw, and another missing screw, and there is another missing screw. So yeah, from an Opel Corsa B, it's enough to remove the lower part. So, oh, there it is. It's nothing. So that's why I didn't hear anything from the right side, because there is nothing in the right side. So there is some electrical tape. I remove the electric tape in the connectors. So the previous owner soldering it, and use some electric tape. I don't want to use electric tape. I show you what I'm going to use, and I think this is some adapter. But first, I'm going to down the window, because as you can see, the window goes in here. I don't know. So there it is, the window. So I have this deep. So I hope my new speaker it's good with it. So now I'm put in the speaker. I think it's going to work, because it's not so deep. But first I try. Yes, it's going to work, and I can roll up the window, roll down freely, so it's going to work. I don't like to use electric tape. I'm better like to use this heat shrink. So I find out where I need to. So I measure where I need to cut. I cut. And get it on with the heat shrink. I think it's better than the electrical tape. So now I'm screw in this plastic, and it's this side it's done. So there it is. This is the first problem. So this adapter, the speaker adapter, it's not from this size. I think this is for 6-inch speaker, and this is a 6.5. So but it's It's a not problem for me because I'm gonna cut out this material, and as you can see the holes, I can easily screw with the speaker, so there is no problem, just need space for them. So I'm gonna go and somehow cut out. So I think it's my marker. Okay, so now I see what I need to cut it off. I don't know I can use that. I think there are uh, less barbaric and more beautiful method to cut this plastic, but now I don't care because nobody gonna see this in the interior, so I really don't care. I just want to put the speaker on it. So let's see now. Okay, now it's fit perfectly in this. So put back the so I put it back the connectors. Tighten the screws. And it's done. It's perfectly in his space. Yes. So let's do the other side. But first time uh, put back the plastic cover. Okay, it's done. So let's go to the other side. And there it is, the other side. So it's not the factory speaker. It's not in so bad shape, but yeah, it's not so good too, as you can see. So I remove the adapter because I need to modify that too, and install the new speaker. So first I remove the old speaker. And modify in the same way. So there it is, the adapter of the other side. I modified that too. So this side is installed. I'm gonna show you. So I put in this side too. It's fit very well, and I'm get back the door panel and test it how it sounds.